Bago niya pagawin ng ministeryo, lumapit siya sa Ama, nakinig siya sa pananalangin. Now, how important it is in our life, every moment of our life is an opportunity to pray. Bago ka umalis ng bahay, it's a moment before you leave your home, that we still spend time in prayer. Now, don't get me wrong, ang panalangin hindi dapat mahabang-mahaba. Hindi kailangan na, Pastor, nag-pray ako alas 4 ng madaling araw hanggang alas 6. Di ikaw na. What's important is our connection. Do we have a well connection in our relationship with God through our prayer? Pagising sa umaga, we can come in prayer, Lord, I thank you for this wonderful day. O masyado na tayong busy, nakulit na ako. Nasobrahan yung snooze, mamaya na lang ako mag-pray, Lord, pag-uwi. We tend to set aside prayer thinking it's just okay. But I want you to understand, when you and I don't pray, it is not okay. Pakisabi sa katabi mo, it's not okay. It's not a normal kind of life as Christians not to pray. Why? Alam natin ang katotohanan, kung wala si Jesus, wala ang presensya ng Diyos, wala tayong kapangyarihang magtagumpay sa araw-araw ng ating mga buhay. Yes, you have gifts, you have talents, you have work, you have all the things you can do. Pero natin kung wala ang pagsama ng presensya ng Diyos, wala sa atin ang kailanman magtatagumpay sa ginagawa natin sa ating mga buhay. You and I must understand that a moment of prayer is important in our day-to-day life. Pakisabi ulit sa katabi mo, damihan ang panalangin. A moment of prayer can be inside the car. No? Pag nananalangin kang nagdadrive ka sa sasakyan mo, no? Huwag ka lang pumikit. Ha? Nagdadrive ka at nagpipray. Pwede namang nakadilat na nagpipray habang nagdadrive. Pwede naman na nag-aantay ka ng iyong train. Nag-aantay ka ng sasakyan, nakapila ka, pwedeng manalangin. There is always a moment for prayer. Ang tanong lang ay ito, do we value prayer as our source of power? Jesus knew the secret for him to have a victory in his day-to-day ministry. You will see the life of Jesus having a moment of prayer every single time. Pansinin mo ang ministeryo ni Jesus. Before he start the ministry, he would be coming from the mountain, coming from a prayer. As he do his ministry, he will be praying for the sick, praying for those that are in need, praying for those